Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Margot Robbie as Barbie. So let's get started. To draw this cute Barbie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, about this way, and draw another circle. Now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have my eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and I'm just going to draw in maybe just two long lashes. Same thing over here. There. Then I'm going to come up and draw her brow. So come up about right here and we're just going to draw a soft arc right over her eye. So same thing on the other side. So now that I have that in, let's go ahead and give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then bring it up slightly and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, come right next to these lashes, give myself a point. Same thing over here. And then we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right next to her eye and come down with a curve. And then I'm just going to kind of imagine where I want her face. So find my center and I'll just say about right here. Give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to draw a curve towards my point. And I'll try to give her a little bit pointier chin. So about right there. And then same thing on this side. So definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever is easiest for you to draw this curve. There. From there, let's see here. Let's go ahead and draw her bangs. So I'm just kind of imagining this big oval as I draw this, and towards the center, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. It's kind of nice and high. She has these really long bangs. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve towards her brow. And then let's see here, let's work on this side. I'm going to go up with one strand. I'm going to bring it down again with another strand and go up and then come back down. Just want to create these strands right in front of her face. So right here, do the same thing. Go up and let's see here, same thing here, and down. And then just curve in and finish it up. There. And we're going to bring this strand down. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go up, bring this up. And let's say about right here, we're going to go up a little bit more, about right there, right in the center. And I'm just going to come down, kind of like this big curve, this dome for her bangs. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect this strand. So same thing here. And connect. Just hopefully that simplifies it a little bit. And then now that we have that, we're going to go up again just a little bit right here. And we're just going to go up on both sides. And then bring it down close to her bangs. And really close. There. Okay, so let's bring this down a little bit more. But you know what, let me just finish this a little bit later. Let's work on her body first. But before I do that, I forgot. Let's come back right here. We're going to draw her ears. So we're just going to pop in a little curve right there. Same thing on the other side. Just pop in this curve. And put a little curve in there if you have any space for some detail. And then in this space right here, I'm just going to draw this little flower. Maybe 4 petals just to make it easier. Put a little dot in the center. Same thing here. And a little dot. Okay, so then now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come right to the center, about here and here. And I'm going to draw a little neck, and then bring down a curve for her shoulders. Same thing here. Bring down a curve for her shoulders. So now that we have her shoulders in, let's kind of imagine, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point on both sides, kind of like where her armpit area would be. And we're going to come up slightly on both sides and then connect it for her top. The top of her dress. And then you can come right here and add a little strap. Strap to go in there and erase a little bit of it so that I can actually make that pink and not black. Okay, but my Sharpie was a little bit too thick, right? So then from there, okay, let's use this point right here where her armpit area would be, and we're going to draw an angle line in. There, so let's keep bringing it down. Give her a tiny little waist, about right there, and then connect it for the top of her dress. And then in the center right here, we're going to draw this belt. So I'm going to come right here and draw this kind of like ovalish shape, and I'll just put a heart in this shape right here. But you know, if you don't like that, of course, just draw another oval. I wanted to have something to put a heart in, so. And I'm just going to come in here and finish off my belt. There. So now I have my belt in, let's go ahead and draw the skirt part. We're going to poof this out. Nice and poofy. It also helps with our hands, so we don't have to draw too many details. So I'm going to poof this out, and I'm going to bring this down on both sides. There. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's take a look how long you want to make this dress. It's not too long. It's actually kind of like my knee, where her knees are. So bring this down to about right there. And same thing over here. And now before I finish that, let's come back into this space because there's a lot of pleats on this dress. So I'm going to come to the center. And I'll draw right in the center 2 lines. Actually, you can do this when you're coloring, so you don't have to use these harsh black line. But I just want to kind of show you, you can draw these pleats in here. In her skirt, just to give her skirt some detail. There, so hopefully that didn't make a mess and it helps you understand that her dress has a bunch of pleats. Okay, so then when we draw this curve to connect, you can also, if you like, come right here, just draw a little pleat, just come in where your pleats are. But if you're not comfortable doing all this, of course, just draw a big curve and connect everything. And like I said, don't just use like a dark pink marker when you're drawing these, so it's not so harsh. But something like that. There. Okay, so from there, let's go ahead and draw her legs. I'm just making them very simple, just straight down. So let's say about right here, put them in the center, here and here. Okay, so let's go ahead and about right here, I'm going to come down. Let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring in this little angle, because we're on this tiny little ankle, about right there, and then about right there, we're going to flare this out to draw her shoe. And just bring it down and make it a little bit sharper towards the bottom. And then come right here and just draw a curve. So same thing over here. And curve out. And same thing. And connect. There. Okay, so then now finally let's draw her arms. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to have them to her side. So I'm going to bring them down and towards her waist we're going to curve it in a little bit and then bring it out again. And we're going to have her hands about right here. So let's come out and then just draw a curve in. Then where her armpit area is, just draw a curve and connect. There. Okay, so same thing over here. So where her waist is, just curve it in a little bit and then come out. And we want it the same area on the other side. Come out and then curve it in. And so same thing here. And in. And then before I forget, I'm going to put a little bracelet right here on her arm. And then of course her beautiful hair. So let's come right here and finish this off. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a wave, maybe a strand, and then just bring it in. So same thing here, just simplifying her hair. Maybe here we draw a curve coming out and just bring it in, just like the other side. And let's draw her beautiful necklace. So I'm going to come right here. We're just going to draw a bunch of these little flowers. So let's see here. Once again. 1, 2. My Sharpie is so thick. And let's see. Just a little indication of one here. I'll go in there and erase that later and then just connect it there. So hopefully that kind of looks like I'll bring this strand in. And let's see here. That is pretty much it for my drawing here of Margot Robbie as Barbie from the Barbie movie. And of course, when you're coloring her dress, just put in those pink plaid stripes. And I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And let me know in the comments below if you saw this movie and what you thought of it, if it's worth watching. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I helped you today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.